Hi, this is Carl. Welcome back to this video in the projects series. This video, I'm going to combine two of my hobbies. I'm going to combine using the Dremel and the shovel. And I use a shovel for metal detecting. This is a new one I bought at Harbor Freight. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put notches in here and sharpen up the notches to make the shoveling easier. So I'm going to show you how I do it with the Dremel, and I'm going to do this video a little bit different. There's going to be no sound, only music. I do appreciate you watching. There we go. If you notice, it's not symmetrically perfect, but it's just a shovel. Who cares? So I'm confident that this is going to be able to push into the dirt, especially in the summertime when the ground is dry. So next time I go metal detecting, I'm going to take this with me, try it out, try to put that on a video. Now, if you decide to do this, don't make these so sharp, because many times you'll want to carry this on your belt or on your side, and you don't want the sharp points catching you on the leg. So, very easy process. Got the shovel, Harbor Freight for around $8. Great little investment here. I encourage you to give it a shot if you're a metal detector or if you just like digging in the garden. I do appreciate you watching.